JIRA versus Trello. Which project management tool is better? When it comes to project management tools, two of the most popular options are JIRA and Trello. While both tools are developed by Atlassian, they cater to different types of users and project needs. Let's dive into their features and find out which one might be the best fit for your projects. What is JIRA? JIRA is a powerful project management tool specifically designed for software development and agile teams. It's ideal for complex projects that require detailed planning, issue tracking, and custom workflows. Key features of JIRA: advanced issue and task tracking, support for Scrum, Kanban, and hybrid models, customizable workflows and integrations, detailed reporting and agile metrics, integration with other Atlassian products like Confluence and Bitbucket. JIRA is best for software development teams, large projects that require in-depth tracking, agile project management. What is Trello? Trello is a visual project management tool that's user-friendly and highly adaptable. It uses boards, lists, and cards to help users organize and prioritize their projects in a straightforward and intuitive way. Key features of Trello: simple, visual Kanban-style interface, easy to use drag and drop functionality, power-ups for integrations and added features, great for brainstorming and quick project setups. Trello is best for small to medium teams, simple project tracking and task organization. Conclusion: both JIRA and Trello have their strengths, and the right choice depends on the scope and complexity of your projects. JIRA is better suited for software teams that need detailed tracking and agile features, while Trello shines with its simplicity and visual organization for general tasks and smaller projects. Consider your team's needs, project size, and technical expertise when choosing the right tool for your workflow.